hope you guys don't consider me a stranger after a 2 weeks break because we just came back from our vacation. I'm so happy to get back to the hang of things. So in today's video, we're going to be unpacking, cleaning, cooking, and just getting back to the rhythm. So let's just go ahead and get started. So did you guys miss me? Because I sure did miss you guys. Like, oh my gosh, I was like, I can't believe I haven't posted for 2 weeks. But guys, trust me, like, believe it when I tell you that this vacation was so much needed because like we just needed to take a vacation, go rest, cool off, and of course, trust me to know that I recorded like every single thing. So definitely look out for our vlog coming up this Sunday. I can't wait to share our vacation with you guys. And as you guys can see, I headed straight to the pantry to get this I don't even know if I should call this snack or food. I've missed smoking garri for years and years, guys. I remember back when I was in the boarding school, this used to be like my favorite meal. You couldn't tell me nothing. But ever since I came to the US, the peanuts they have here, it's not like the peanut I'm used to from back home. So when we went for our vacation, I saw the plain peanut and I knew this would be perfect for smoking garri. So this is exactly like I've been craving to smoke garri for such a long time. So finally, you guys, like, I don't know, like if you're a real Nigerian, you know that smoking garri is part of the culture. And of course, you can always add milk if you want to, but because I'm allergic to lactose, I decided to just drink it that way, and it still came out mwah. As you guys can see here, I'm going ahead to unbox our travel luggage. Let me know if you're the type of person that loves to come back from your travel and just unbox everything immediately. I'm that type of person. I don't like having chores, waiting for me. Like, just imagine coming back from a travel and then leaving your luggage for maybe days and days before you get to it. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna breathe. Like, that is gonna kind of cringe me out a lot. So I just love to come home from my travel, unbox everything, toss the things that needs to be washed in the washing machine, just get everything back up. I don't know, there's just this joy I feel when we go on vacation or when I travel and then come home and just put everything back to order. It's as if like when you travel, like, I don't know, I don't even know how to explain it, guys, but yeah, it's as if when you travel and then you come back, you just want to reset. I think that's the right word. You want to reset and refresh your home. So that is basically what we are doing today. As you guys can see, I went ahead and added all the clothes we traveled with into the washing machine, and then over here I'm just going ahead to quickly make up the bed. I love it when everything is back to normal. Make up the bed, kind of vacuum the floor, cook, just like get the house as if you never left, basically. Hobby actually didn't travel with us. I only went with the kids, guys. And I'm the type of person that before I travel, I love to keep my home in order, make sure everywhere is clean and the bed made up, everything. But because Hobby didn't go with us, he was home, he was working. So I came home to the whole house upside down. Like I said, even though I cleaned up before we left, but of course, when we got home, because the house wasn't like closed and everybody left, right? There were a lot of cleaning to be done. But yeah, anyways, as you guys can see, we went ahead and made up the bed, and of course, I had to sweep the staircase. I love to use kind of a simple broom to sweep the staircase and then go in with my vacuum. I don't know. Sometimes I try to use the vacuum to clean the staircase, but it's never the same. Broom is the best thing when it comes to sweeping your staircase. So as you guys can see, I'm going ahead to vacuum up, make sure everywhere is nice and clean, even though yes, hubby cleaned after himself. He's such a good, like, should I say a home keeper, or whatever you want to call it, guys, because he's not the type of person to run everywhere down, not do the dishes and all those things. But because of the fact that I specifically love to clean a specific way, so when I would say that all my life, guys, it's only one person that have actually challenged me when it comes to cleaning. I don't know, a lot of people say I have OCD, maybe, but there's this specific way I love to clean, right? That even if you clean and I come and look at it, I'm still going to see one or two things. But it's one, like, there's this lady that cleans our house now. Like, I don't know if you guys follow my videos, especially my vlogs. You guys know that we have a cleaner come out once every month to deep clean the whole house. And it's surprising how she is the only person that have beat me when it comes to cleaning my home, like sparkling, like leaving the home sparkling clean. Oh my gosh, that lady, she can clean. No, like anytime she cleans, I'm always left in awe, because like she cleans really, really well. Like she deep cleans. I don't know how to explain it, guys, but anyways, what I'm trying to say is, even though hubby tried to clean after himself, but still when we came home, I could see some things he left behind, or some places he didn't keep as clean as possible. So I knew I had to kind of refresh and reset the house, before we get back to the hang of things. But anyways, you guys, I just went ahead and dusted the great room, which we call the living room, but we call it the great room, and also the coffee table. Of course, hubby is definitely not gonna move all those decor and clean the coffee table and all those things. But anyways, you guys, of course, I went ahead and cleaned up the bathroom upstairs, and then down here I'm just quickly refreshing the powder room, just clean the mirror, because the mirror was a mess, guys. So I cleaned up the mirror, and then I'm just going to quickly go ahead and wipe the sink, clean the toilet, sweep the floor, just get everywhere back to normal, basically. To be honest, guys, I really do not know where this year ran to. I can't believe it's August already, and before you know it, it's going to be back to school. It's like, I'm not sure. Let me know in the comment section if you felt like this holiday season just ran by so fast. To me, like, I just feel like school just closed yesterday, and before you know it, school is already back to school. It's ridiculous. Like there are a lot of things we planned on doing during the holiday that I can't believe the holiday is literally like almost over. It's still surprising to me. But anyways, you guys, of course, it's dinner time, and we came in with an early morning flight. So when we got back, you guys, with the jet lag and everything, everybody was tired. The kids slept for the kids literally slept the whole day while I was cleaning and working. There we are like in la la land, guys. But of course I had to rest for maybe a few hours, and I had to just get up and start cleaning up the house, because like I said, I'm that type of person that I'm not gonna breathe, like I'm not gonna feel good, just walking around. Of course, I rested really, really well. I rested as much as I could, but best believe after like cooking and cleaning up, I was so tired that I went straight to sleep. And the next day I woke up, I believe around 11 a.m. like the jet lag really, really, like, it got me real bad. But anyways, you guys, of course, I had to make sure there is food in the house. And today I'm making pasta and sauce. Let me know if you like pasta and sauce like made together or made separately. Like made together in the sense that like made like jollof, like spaghetti jollof, or you like it pasta and sauce by the side. For me personally, I actually used to love spaghetti jollof, basically, right? I used to love spaghetti jollof, but when I started eating spaghetti and sauce, like spaghetti separate and then sauce, especially with meatballs, as you guys can see, I added some meatballs and then I made the sauce, the stew with some chicken and meatballs. Oh my gosh, this is like mind-blowing. It tastes so good. So I would say for me personally, I prefer the white spaghetti and then sauce different, right? Especially if you want to add in some veggies with it. Of course, you guys know you want to make the food as balanced as possible. So I love to have my spaghetti and then add some veggies. As you guys can see, I have my carrots, my green beans, my peas, and then go in with the sauce. Oh my gosh, guys, this tastes so good. Another thing that also tastes so good is like making spaghetti with beans, especially honey beans. A friend of mine introduced me to this menu, like spaghetti, honey beans, and sauce, and it tastes so good, guys. But anyways, as you guys can see, after we had our dinner, I had to wake the kids up to have their dinner too, and of course everybody's still very, very tired, so I just decided to go ahead and clean up. But in this situation, on a normal day, the kids, they cook with me, they clean up, but of course, as a mom, you understand that everybody is tired. They were all tired from the travel, so I didn't really bother them, So as you guys can see, I'm going ahead to just clean up, make sure the kitchen is clean, because I'm also that person that wouldn't leave my kitchen a mess no matter how tired I am. Like, I love to take like maybe my last strength, I would say the last strength in my body, to go ahead and clean my dishes, clean my kitchen, make sure everywhere is nice and clean. And of course, as you guys can see, I also went ahead to clean my kitchen sink. This is a must. I love leaving everywhere very, very nice. I feel like my kitchen, the way my kitchen looks when I wake up in the morning, determines my mood for like the beginning of my morning, right? When my kitchen is clean, I come out, I'm so happy. I fix myself my cup of coffee, whether hot or cold, and just like start my day on a very nice, happy note. But if my kitchen is a mess, guys, oh my gosh, I will be sighing from here till tomorrow, and it just sets off my day on a very, very wrong tone. So I love to make sure that my kitchen is clean, especially in the night before lights off. Let me know if you have lights off time in your home, especially for the kitchen. Once it's 9 p.m, no more eating, no more cooking, no more doing anything in the kitchen. That's like our policy in this house. So I always make sure to get everywhere in order. And that is basically it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of reset and refresh video with me. And of course, definitely look out for our vlog this Sunday. It's gonna be an amazing vlog, so definitely look out for that. And please don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't already. And till my next video, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.